Langsung aja.
Oke.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today we are from 8th group. We want to present our presentation in the title Basic Socio-Cultural Science. Next. Before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Zuhair Fakhri.
My name is Muhammad Linggar Gifari.
My name is Apri Baraka. Chapter 1. The nature of ASBD, Basic Social and Cultural Science, and its relationship with information technology. The essence of ASBD inherently relate to the development of information technology. In this modern era, information technology has become one of the main factors that shape human social and cultural dynamics. Therefore, in studying ESBD, it is important to understand how information technology influence social interaction, social structure, and the process of social identity formation.
First, information technology influence the way individuals interact with each other through social media platforms, instant messaging, and various other digital communication applications. Social interaction have become more connected and often more anonymous. This influence the dynamics of relationship between individuals, social norms, and communication patterns in society. Second, information technology also plays an important role in the information of social identity. Individual identities are increasingly influenced by online self-expression, the digital content they consume, and the online communities they participate in. Thus, information technology is one of the factors that shapes how individuals understand themselves and how they are understood by others in society.
Apart from that, development in information technology have also triggered significant social and cultural changes. For example, digital globalization has changed the way people work, learn, communicate, and even shop. This has a major impact on social structures, cultural values, and behavior patterns in society. Therefore, in studying ISBD, it is important to understand the role of information technology as one of the main factors that shape and change human social and cultural dynamics. Thus, the integration of the ISBD concept with development in information technology is essential for comprehensively understanding human social life in this digital era.
Basic social science in the context of information technology. Number 1. Change in social interaction paradigms. In the digital era, information technology has changed the way humans interact. Social media platforms, instant message application, and online forum have become primary venues for exchanging information, communication, and forming social relationship. Number 2, digital identity and influence. Information technology also play an important role in the formation of social identity. Individual identities are increasingly influenced by online self-expression, digital reputation, and content consumed over the internet.
Number 3, social and economic impact. The development of information technology has fundamentally changed the social and economic landscape. For example, the internet has opened up new opportunities in terms in flexible work, e-commerce, and distance learning. However, it also raised new problems such as digital inequality, online privacy, and technological unemployment. For change in culture and value, information technology also influence culture and values in society. For example, social media accelerate the spread of cultural trends and change in social norms.
Basic cultural science in the context of information technology. First, digitalization of culture. Information technology has facilitated the digitalization and spread of culture globally. Basic cultural science (IBD) material can explain how information technology influences the production, distribution, and consumption of culture, including music, film, visual art, and literature. Discussion may include the influence of social media, streaming platforms, and content sharing websites in the process of cultural dissemination. The second, cultural identity in the digital age. The use of information technology influences the information and expression of cultural identity. IBD materials can investigate how individual and group use social media, blogs, and other online platforms to strengthen or reconstruct their cultural identity. This can involve analysis of the use of language, cultural symbols, and identity narrative in digital context.
Number 3, visual culture and technology. Development in information technology also influence the production and consumption of visual culture. I, IB, IBD material may cover topics such as digital photography, image editing, digital art, and the effect of other technology on visual representation in contemporary culture. Discussion can consider the role of social media in shaping self-image and self-perception through visual images.
Number 4, participatory and collaborative culture. Information technology facilitates uh, participant and collaboration in cultural production. Number 5, ethic and intellectual property rights challenge. Ethics relate to the use and distribution of culture in digital form. This includes issues of intellectual property rights, privacy, authenticity, and copyright in the context of digital culture.
Basic sociocultural science as an alternative problem solving. Basic sociocultural science is an approach that allows us to understand the impact of information technology on society and culture as a whole. This involves the study of changes in cultural values, patterns of social interaction, and social structure caused by information technology. With this understanding, we can develop strategies to utilize information technology positively and reduce its negative impact, including by increasing information accessibility, reducing the digital divide, and protecting individual privacy. It helps society face challenges and harness the positive potential of information technology in social and cultural contexts.
For example, In some communities, some people may not have internet access due to limited infrastructure or for economic reasons. As a solution,
Bre, nggak kedengeran.
problem solving called involve effort to build a wider ICT infrastructure or provide affordable internet access for everyone. Additionally, digital skill training approach can help address the gaps by providing education on how to use technology effectively.
The goal is to ensure that everyone has an equal opportunity to take advantage of the benefits of technology in everyday life, such as access to information, education, employment, and health service.
Social change and technology. Technology has been a significant driver of social change throughout Indonesian history. Example, the digital revolution in Indonesia, which has changed how we work, communicate, and shop online, as well as consumption patterns and lifestyle influenced by technology. Impact and of technology on social interaction. Technological advancement influence how we interact and form social relationships in Indonesia. Example, the use of social media platforms like Instagram and WhatsApp to create online communities and change how we communicate with families and friends in Indonesia.
Integration of technology in education. Technology has transformed our approach to education in Indonesia. Example, the use of online learning platforms like Ruang Guru or Quiver to provide broader access to education for students across Indonesia, especially in remote areas. Ethical challenge in technology use. The use of technology also forces complex ethical challenges in Indonesia. Example, data privacy issues and user information security and the use of technology application and platform in Indonesia, such as Gojek and Tokopedia.
Technology accessibility and social equality. Unequal access to technology can deepen social inequalities in Indonesia. Example, disparities in internet access between major cities in Java and remote areas in Papua. We can reinforce economic and educational disparities in Indonesia. Social and technological innovation. However, technology can also be a tool for creating positive social innovation in Indonesia. Example, projects like Rumah Belajar that provide free education access to children in rural areas in Indonesia using technology.
Conclusion, basic social and cultural science provide crucial insights into the impact of technology on societal life and public education in Indonesia. It is important to consider the social and cultural implication in development and utilization of technologies in Indonesia. Okay, I think that is the end of presentation. We were apologies that we have a mistake. Thank you very much for your nice attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And.